What's up, everybody? It's the blind bearded chef again, Zeke. That is me, y'all. That is me. I'm getting ready to do some curry goat. Very flavorful, very good. So, we usually can't find goat in the store here in Louisiana, so we have to buy a goat, have them slaughtered, and do what we do with it. So, without further ado, watch me cook this curry goat. If you enjoy, if you like it, go check me out on YouTube. Go like my page. I got a whole bunch of other videos in there. Help a brother out. Anyway, all right, let's get busy with this recipe. Here go my goat, y'all. I got it soaking in a little vinegar water just to make sure it's clean, help tenderize it. Then I'm going to take it and cut it in chunks. All right. For our goat, I cut it up in pieces. This is about 2 pounds of goat. And this is from like the front shoulder. So I got it cubed up right there. Let's put our dry seasoning in here. Okay, I'm about to put, in no particular order, 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt. It's hard for me to measure stuff like this, so I'm doing it by hand. It might be over a little bit, so okay. 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt, or you can use some all-purpose seasoning. Okay, this Flavo Rice. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of Flavo Rice. Okay. 1 teaspoon of that. If you don't have Flavo Rice, don't worry about it. Get you some all-purpose seasoning. Okay. Garlic powder. Let's do about 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Okay. Onion powder. Let's do 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder. Okay. Right there. Black pepper. Let's do 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Black pepper. Okay. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. My hands are clean, y'all. I make sure I wash my hands before I start this. Let's do allspice. Let's do 1 teaspoon of allspice. Okay. Teaspoon of allspice. Thyme. 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. Okay. A little more. Okay, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. What else I got here? Paprika. Let's do about 1 teaspoon of paprika. Like I said, I'm just estimating. This is gonna have to marinate overnight, or we're gonna marinate it for 24 hours. And can y'all see this? Jamaican curry powder. I bought this off of Amazon, bought a big container of it, forgot how much it was, so get Jamaican curry powder. Since this is curry goat, I'm going to put tablespoon. Let's see. Okay. We'll put 2 tablespoons. That's 1. And curry powder will stain your hands, y'all. Okay. That's 2. That's 2 tablespoons of curry powder. And I need some pimento berries, pimento seeds. Let's get some pimento seeds. Okay. We'll put about that many. Okay. That's about 10 or 12 of pimento berries, pimento seeds. Stir this all up together. And next we're gonna put in our fresh seasoning. Y'all, because this goat meat is so lean, I'm going to put about one. I'm squirting. That's about 1 teaspoon of olive oil in it, so that way the seasons can adhere to the meat better. Because goat is very lean. Goat is a lean meat. Ooh, these seasonings smell so good. Good, good, good. All right. Now, to this, let's add what I got chopped up over here. Let's see here. Here's my onion. Okay. 1 medium onion. Chopped. Like I said, this is going to go marinade. Marinade. All right. This is going to go in the refrigerator for about 8 to 24 hours. So that's our onion. This is our scallions. Yeah. So that's our scallions right there. About 4 or 5 scallions chopped up. Okay. This is our assorted bell pepper. So this is red, green, orange, and yellow. Or you can put whatever bell peppers you want. But I just did 1/4 of each one. This right here is, what I got right here. Oh, get you like a 1/2 tomato. Put that in there. Dice up tomato. Where's my garlic? That ain't my garlic. Where's my, right here. You need fresh ginger. So this is about a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, diced up. Okay. Put these Caribbean flavors in there. And this is my chopped garlic. This is about 5 cloves of chopped garlic. Okay. The Jamaicans say we're doing curry goat man. Yeah. Let me show I got everything from over here. I think that's it. Okay. Oh, I'm missing one more thing. Where's my Scotch bonnet? I'm putting the Scotch right here. I should be handling this. I should not be handling this by my hand, but I am. So this is 1 Scotch bonnet pepper for our heat, and I need a knife. Okay, let me cut this on this cutting board. I'll be right back. Okay, 1 chopped up Scotch bonnet, and I took some of the seeds. I took some of the seeds out of it so it wouldn't be so spicy. All right, so y'all can see in there. So now, mix all that in there. I'm gonna take this and cover it up and put it in the refrigerator for 8 to 24 hours. And this is how you marinate your curry goat. Okay. The reason I'm using this thing right here because I don't want that curry powder to stain my hand. Right. There go our goat with the dry seasoning and the fresh seasoning. So let's cover this up. And see y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all. It's the next day. Our goat been marinating for 24 hours. I let it go for 24 hours instead of 8. So, smell good, y'all. See it? There you go. Now, you want to take the meat pieces, see it's all marinated. Y'all see all that right there? Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. So we want to take the meat out of the vegetables and put them in a separate bowl. So let me take the meat out, and we'll put the vegetables back in the pot later. So let's take the meat out the bowl. All right, y'all see I got the meat by itself. That's the goat meat. I got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in my skillet. We're gonna cook this in the electric skillet. I'm gonna turn my heat on medium high. And after a while, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of curry, and then we're gonna burn the curry, which actually means bloom. Bloom, and when you bloom spices, that means you take your spices and you put it in oil for about 30 seconds, and it gives your food a more intense flavor of that spice. So we're gonna heat this up. Be right back. All right, our skillet hot. This is my 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Put it in there like that. We're gonna stir that enough for about 30 seconds. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Y'all get the hint. Okay, it'll be about 30 seconds. And now let's add our goat. Okay, so we're going to sear our goat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, be right back. Okay, after simmering for about 10 minutes with the top on, you want to give it a stir. Oh, this smells so good. It takes different times for your goat to cook because you don't know how old it is. I don't know how old this goat was. Okay. All right. Okay, so now it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to, okay. Okay, remember that that bowl right there with my vegetables in there, the Scotch bonnet, the bell pepper, the onions, the garlic, and I put 4 cups of lukewarm water in there. So stir all this stuff to make sure I got all that seasoning there, and we're about to pour that in our goat. Right. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, buddy. So I'm cooking this goat here, pretty much Jamaican style, with the Scotch bonnet peppers, pimento seeds, pimento berries, and okay, so got all that in there. Now we're gonna do a little seasoning right quick, and I'm going to put the top on there and let this cook down. So I want to add about another teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, I want to add about a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of salt. I want a little bit of Maggie's all-purpose seasoning. It's about a teaspoon of Maggie's. Okay. Maggie's all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to put a little more thyme, maybe a teaspoon of thyme. Since I didn't have any fresh thyme, I used the dry. Okay, and stir this in. Stir this in. Gonna cover this. We're gonna let this cook down for about an hour on medium. You don't want to cook it at a high pace. You want to cook it on a medium. And then towards the end, we'll put the Irish potatoes in there. I got 1 large or 2 mediums Irish potatoes cut in chunks. All right. Make sure everything is stirred together good and combined. Okay. Put our top on it, and we're gonna let this simmer. We're gonna check periodically. Might have to add some more water to it. We'll see. But right now we're gonna start with 4 cups and let this cook down. All right. It's been about an hour, and our goat is fork tender. Look how nice that look. Look how nice that is. Just to show y'all that it's fork tender. And let me turn it down some. Okay, let's see. Let me show y'all. Look at that. That fork. That fork goes straight through it. Okay. Now right here, you want to add your potatoes. So like I said, this is like one large Irish potatoes, and so put that in there. So we're gonna let these potatoes cook in here for about maybe 6 to 7 minutes. Okay. All right, y'all. That go our goat. It is ready. All right. So there go our curry goat. Get my spoon. There we go. Look how pretty that is. Good and tender. Okay, let's put a little more. Let's put a little more color in there. So we're just gonna put some colored bell peppers all around there, just for some color. Okay. Stir them bell peppers in there, and some a few green onion tops. Put some greenery in there. All right. All right, and there go our Jamaican curry goat, y'all. Voila. Now let me get the rice ready, and we're gonna try it out. There we go. Tasty. Give y'all a close up of it. All right, there go our curry goat. There we go. Now, if you wanted to, you could have put a half a cup or a cup of coconut milk in it also. When you did the water, you could add and make it a very rich with a little coconut twist to it, coconut taste. All right, so you can do it with coconut milk, or you can do it without. I decided to do it without. All right, let's taste. All right, y'all see how kind of easy that was, huh? Let me clear my palate. Hey y'all, what's up? Let's eat some of this Jamaican curry goat. Let me take these glasses off. They are in the way. All right here. Y'all see my plate? Do y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Hope y'all see it. All right. Eat mine with some steamed rice. White rice. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Look how tender the goat is. Look at that. Right? Oh, I don't have it on the fork. Give me a piece of gut. Look at that. Fall apart. This is good, yeah, y'all. The allspice. The spice from the Scotch bonnet pepper. Get that back. I don't want to waste nothing. All right, y'all. Y'all seen the blind man make it. If you like this Caribbean dish, I'm not Jamaican, but I learned how to cook it. Bye, y'all.